Alright, so I'm working in PowerPoint 2007, so the way it looks is going to be a little different, but the principles are all going to work the same in the other versions. So first thing we want to do is go into your slide master. So we're going to slide master, and in your slide master, now PowerPoint 2007, the layout's different, but you've got a master slide that would be like your main master, and then you have all these sub slides that are kind of built from the main master, so they would represent like your title slides or different types of layouts that you might have. So what you want to do is actually make your edits. If you want them to be applied to all of these slides and the layouts, you want to make the edits to the main master slide. So in this case, when we look at it, you have your whitewater image, but it's really only on the title slide and not on the master. So what we want to do is take this image off here and put it on your main master so that it can be applied behind all of the, or on all of the slides. So what we do is just go ahead and do Control X, and that deletes it, and we'll go to your main slide and we'll do Control V, and that'll paste it on there. So now you've got it pasted on there. You want to send it to the back of everything. And to send it to the back, all you have to do is right click and then hit send to back, and you can send it to the back, and then it's behind everything, and then you can move your image around or do whatever you want to with the image. Now you do notice that it's been applied here to most of these template slides. The only thing is these templates right here don't have it applied, and the reason is when you go to that slide, so let's go to this particular one. When you go to the background, if you go to format your, well actually I'm going to move some of this stuff off so I can actually get to the background. So when I actually go to the format background option here, let me right click so you can see it. So format background option, and there's an error on this PowerPoint slide for presentation. But if I go into format background, you'll notice that the option to hide background graphics has been selected. So you just need to go into that and make sure on the background that you deselect this. And when I deselect this, now all of a sudden you see that image. So you deselect that. So then we can apply that to all. So right now it's just applied to this one, but we'll apply it to all. And you'll notice once I get through this error, that now it's been applied to every one of those. So it's just a matter of deselecting the hide background graphics option. As far as deleting the extra slides that you don't want, you should be able to delete most of them, although some templates will have a set number, so they'll have like a title and body slide, and that's just part of it. But you should just be able to come in here and delete these. So as I'm doing right now, I'm just deleting them. So you should be able to do that in PowerPoint 2007. It's just a matter of going through and figuring out which ones you want and then delete those. The other thing you could do is just copy and paste, just create a brand new slide master, copy and paste the elements that you want in there, and then just start with that if you're having problems deleting the slides. But deleting them should be pretty straightforward, but if sometimes these PowerPoint files can get little glitches in them, so in that case I would just create one from scratch and then just copy and paste those elements that you want on your new one. Hopefully that helps.